Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of 30 days math skill learning challenge with Rachel. So today we'll be learning how to create landing page using Taplink. So what you do is you go to your laptop and type taplink.com. You type in your email, after which you click on get started for free. But because I already have an account with Taplink, there will be no need for that, so I'll just click in my Gmail and it's going to take me here. Then you move forward to design, you click on design it to suit your landing page to sell your product or whatever you like to. You can also build your portfolio with Taplink. See, so if this video was helpful to you, kindly like, comment and share, and see you on the next one. Bye.